Hello, it's Emmy, and today I have a Blastoise blister pack to open. It comes with the Blastoise pin, and it comes with 3 booster packs, 2 Evolution and 1 Steam Siege. So let's get straight into it and get some EXs or Megas or something good. Alright guys, here is the Blastoise pin. This looks really cool. Can't wait to add it to my collection. I'm going to do a Steam Siege first. Alright, this one starts off with a Greedy Dice, an Azumarill, a Ninja Boy, a Mantine, a Clink, a Clauncher, a Meow, a Hip-Hop, a Joltik Reverse Hollow, ooh, and a Bisharp Hollow. That's cool. Okay, next pack. I'm gonna do Raichu. Okay, go to the front. This one starts off with a Pidgeot Spirit Link, a Porygon, a Pokedex Trainer card, an Electabuzz, a Magikarp, a Drowsy, a Caterpie, a Ghastly, a Pikachu Reverse Hollow, and a Raticate. That's not bad. The Pikachu's adorable though. He's so fast! Alright, last one, Charizard. Hopefully there's something good. Okay, page to the front. This one starts off with a Pokedex, a Devolution Spray, a Magmar, a Ghastly, a Caterpie, Electric Energy, a Magikarp, a Seal, a Kakuna Reverse Hollow, don't have that one yet, and Electrode. That's really cool. Okay, so I didn't get any EXs in this one, but I got the super awesome pin and the adorable Pikachu. Here is a code for sticking through to the end. Thank you for watching my video, and I will be back with another video of Pokemon.